Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Pound Yen GBPJPY for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD and others. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and as we all know that there was a heavy up move on almost all the Japanese yen pairs and especially GBPJPY when market gave us this kind of movement. Okay, there was a huge up move in the GBPJPY. Okay, but right now we can see that there is a correction going on in the market. Why the correction is going on? The reason is that Japanese yen was very weak yesterday. As a result, there was a good up move on all the Japanese yen pairs. But today, yen is trying to recover. Yen is trying to recover. As a result, if you look at the currency strength meter, then you'll see that Japanese yen is on the strong side today. As a result, all the Japanese yen pairs are under correction right now. See, this is the currency strength meter. Dollar is the strongest, and then we have JPY as the second strongest currency. As a result, there is a correction going on in all the pairs. But if we consider the overall picture here, then obviously following the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, we should mainly be looking for buying opportunities only. And in this market, okay, we have got few positions. Okay, the first buy position can be the Fibonacci level 23.6%. Okay, Fibonacci 23.6% can be one level where we can look for a buy position, and that is 156 point around 85 level. Okay, 156.85 to 156.80. This can be a level of retracement because of the Fibonacci 23.6%. Secondly, the 50 moving average. Yes, the blue line that you see here is the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average is more or less a good dynamic support resistance in the forex market. Especially it works very well in the 4 hours chart. Okay, so you can wait for the market. Okay, you can wait for the market to bounce from the 50 moving average as well. Okay, see right now in the 4 hours chart it has come down. Okay, so 156.80 can be one level. If market bounces from there, you can try to take a buy position. But if market fails to bounce from there, okay, then you can look for a bounce from the 50 moving average. If you see that price is bouncing from the 50 moving average, if you see that price is being rejected from below at the 50 moving average, then you can take a buy position, considering the 50 moving average as the dynamic support in the market. But keep in mind that before taking a buy position, do check out the currency strength meter. If you see that Japanese yen is still very strong, then please avoid taking a buy position on the any Japanese yen pair, because keep in mind that the support resistance, all these levels are not permanent. Okay, so in case if there is a pressure on the currency, then obviously market will not be able to respect these levels and market will break it. So as a result, before taking a buy position, if you please check the strength meter, and if you have already a sell position, then continue with the position. Hopefully you are in good profit right now. Okay, but I will not recommend any fresh selling opportunity as of now, because I think that you should wait. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care. I'll be coming down tomorrow with the detailed analysis as usual.